Today I'm going to show you how to make the sandals using mother stand as the sword, and the branch from the resin bush as the straps. First we remove the bark. Now I'm start to split the bark to the straps. Now I'm going to cut the sole from mother stand. So now I'm going to make the holes for the straps. Now the strap and the sole is completed, we can put it together. And just like that, we have the sandals.
We were very surprised today to see this little guy wandering around, and the reason why I say surprised is because they are usually active in our summertime where we have warm days and warm nights. But today was a very cool day with winds gusting around and we have a cold front approaching, so it's really not favorable temperatures for these little creatures. However, we think that this little guy might have been disturbed from the area where he was actually waiting out the cold. Now this particular scorpion over here is part of the genus Euryplectes, which are usually not actually harmful to humans. However, a lot of times people can mistake them because of the fact that they have a relatively large tail and very small pinchers, which are very similar to your Parabuthus family, which are quite venomous. Now with your less venomous scorpions, they usually have a very thin tail and very thick pinchers. And the main reason for this is because your venomous scorpions, they really use their venom to do a lot of the work for them and just use the pinchers to help them with the whole feeding process. Now with your less venomous scorpions, they actually use the power from those pinchers to be able to hold their prey down, while the tail then injects the venom that then helps to digest their prey for them. So over here we have a southern yellow-billed hornbill that's busy cleaning himself. Now I don't really want to talk about the bird too much, however the cleaning behavior is actually quite interesting. Now, when the bird is cleaning himself, it's basically there to help to remove any excess dust, debris or parasites from their feathers, and it also helps to align every single feather into the optimum position. Now sometimes you'll see the beak actually go all the way straight to the back in between the feathers, and that's where they collect the oil from the preening gland. And they will then distribute that oil over their feathers to ensure that the feathers are water resistant. And this also ensures that the birds are not left stranded on a rainy or damp day.